Good Thursday! Here we have a 7-inch Farberware. I have cooked very little in all my Farberware skillets except the omelet pan. It's hanging on the ceiling. It's a little dusty. I'm not going to show you. It's very shallow and it's got an aluminum clad all around it. So Farberware made a ton of these. This is a 7-inch. What is this one? The problem with collecting Farberware is they had tons of sizes. That's a 7.5. Why? 7.5. Why? Then they had the 8, right? That's like an 8.25. And then they had a 10 and a 12. But 7.5 and 8, why? Okay, hey, I practically never use them. Why? Because they're straight-sided. I wish they were sloped. This morning we're going to make eggs in this. I've never cooked in this. That should be fun. Just 2 eggs. And I thought of doing the low and slow, but we're going to go like 4 on my stove. 3 or 4. And this baby is brand new. It did come with a little bit of a tiny defect there, but it is brand new. Shiny bottom. Beautiful bottom. One of the tricks of cooking eggs in stainless is to let the water in the butter evaporate. You're kind of making clarified butter without making clarified butter. Just put the butter in, let it sizzle, and let it stop sizzling, then add the eggs. That's what we're doing this morning. We're going to be doing 2 videos today, hopefully, and a ravioli soup from 1971. I think that'll be fun. But did you know this little bag of red potatoes was almost $6? Holy moly! And I only needed 1, and they didn't have any at Walmart. Arr! That's for later. Let's make some eggs. Oh, these eggs just came out of the fridge. Let's put them in a bowl. All right, don't break on me, baby. Oh, okay. My hands are cold. It's cold. I'm going to start at 4. I have to pee. Let's put the butter in. Hey! We do need a sizzle because we're going to evaporate the water content from this butter. And don't get mad. Jacques Pepin uses a tablespoon of butter. Jacques Pepin. Brand new bottom on this pan. I'm going to ruin it by moving it around on the stove, but you know, when you get older and life feels a little temporary, you should use the cookware you have. Starting to sizzle. All that water content is evaporating. It's not foolproof. Occasionally eggs stick. It's just how it is. I'd say I'm 85 to 90% no stick in stainless, which is, I think, pretty good. No sizzle? Let's put the eggs in. There you go. I'm going to put the cover on. And I'm going to lower it down to 2. And we'll check it in a minute. The trick will be getting these eggs out of this straight-sided pan. Let's peek. First time making eggs in this Farberware 7-inch skillet. It's kind of fun, man. I have no bacon, I have no sausage. I used up the English muffins. It's just eggs. But we're going to have ravioli soup later. Let's take a peek. Oh, it's loose. It's sliding. There you go. Put the cover back on. Just firm up those whites. getting there. Almost. Oh, we're done. We're done. Sliding, sliding. Yay! Can we slide them out of the pan? Oh, 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 oh. Hey! Hey! Little pepper. Little salt. Because this has a clad bottom, you don't have to worry about it warping. And just pour some soapy water in there while we eat. Now remember, it's the first time I cooked in that pan. Let's see if we have some yolk. I hope we do. Oh, we got yolk. Yolk is good. We love yolk. Here we go. I love sunny side up eggs. I gotta say, that worked out pretty good. I'm happy. We're happy. Happy is good. Just a touch more salt. Salt is good for you. All right, I'm gonna eat my eggs, and we'll just come back and say adieu or goodbye or something. All right? See? Farberware 7-inch skillet.